From download. Correct, sir. Select on the Windows. Select on this AMD 64. Select on the 386. First one. So one more thing. You are the Intel processor, AMD process. Go to File Explorer.
It's Intel.
Now open your go to your download folder. No, wait for it, it's loading. Yeah, you download 2 times. Delete any one of this. First, second one is not required. Delete now. Not required. Yeah, now you can double click on it and open extract. Yeah. So wait. No, never ever do. Okay, wait. Okay, sir, copy that folder, second folder, second one. Copy the file folder. Yeah, correct, sir. Right click. Select, right, cut. Yeah, come down, left side, come down. Go to Windows C drive. Windows C drive, left side. I see this PC. Go to this PC. Above. This PC. Left side, there is a one menu called this PC.
My daughter is crying a lot. If anyone else.
Venkat, can you share your laptop?
Just give me a minute.
Yeah, you downloaded 386.
386 I am downloading. Yes,
Downloaded. Okay, go to your file explorer.
I am yet to download. Give me a moment. Oh.
Yeah, download two things. 2 times downloaded. Go to your file explorer. Go to download folder. Read. Okay, what is this? Date modified. Yeah, select on the second one, sir. Delete second one.
Windows AMD.
Yeah, not required, sir. Delete now. You are keeping this space. Delete second one. Last one.
I have to delete this, sir.
Yeah, last one. Yes. Okay, now you have to select extract here. No, wait. Okay. Your two things are available. Same file as 2 times.
No?
Above also. Above Terraform 1.1.7 Windows 3.8. Delete this one. Not required, no, sir. Now go to this file. Right click. Extract all. Extract files. Above. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now go back to CD drive. Local disk D drive. Okay, select on the new folder. Yeah, make it Terraform. Just have only Terraform. Yeah, okay now. Okay, sir. That's it, sir. Now go to D drive for Terraform. Yeah. Terraform, sir. Double click on it. Copy the path above. There was only a copy. Control C. Okay, now you go back to environment variable settings. So search on the environment variable bottom. Just a env. Yes, sir. Thank you. So no. It's not no. What is disabled now? What a new edit bottom system variable new edit. Okay, is disabled now, sir. Go to path. Select on the path. No. What to do? Go to this PC, sir. Go to this PC. Above, yeah. Select now. Right click, properties. To the right side, with the one called advanced system settings. Good, yes, correct one. And now environment variables. So now select on it, yes. No need new and cancel, sir. Scroll down, select on the path. Go above, select on the path. System variable, go above, sir. Yes, select on the path.
Any path,
Paths are already, wait. This is called path. Paths. Okay, new, control V. So what is indicating now? You have downloaded, install and configure. Clear, sir? Download, install, configure. What do you mean configure? Why we did this exercise? I can access Terraform anywhere in my systems.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, now you go back to, okay, command from CMD. I try to Terraform hyphen version.
Can you repeat again?
Terraform hyphen space hyphen version. Terraform spelling wrong. TRRA, yeah, space hyphen version. Not dash, sir, hyphen dash version. Yes, correct, sir. Absolutely correct. Yeah, enter now. Right, so what is indicating now? Okay, Terraform is configured properly. I can access Terraform anywhere because we did just now.
Yeah.
Exit from now. Okay, now what do have you create